Tired of feeling like you're always playing catch-up with your email communication? Well, get ready to reclaim your time, because today, we're diving into a super useful feature in Follow Up Boss: scheduling your emails. That's right, Follow Up Boss allows you to plan and automate your communication strategy. Let's get started. First, navigate to the contact you want to email within Follow Up Boss. You can find them using the search bar at the top, or by clicking on their name in your contact list. Once you're on their profile, click on the email button. This will open up the email composition window. Now, write your email just like you normally would. Add your subject line, craft your message, and include any necessary attachments. Now, here's the magic. Instead of hitting send, look for the send later option. It's usually located near the send button and marked with a clock icon. Click on it. A calendar and time picker will pop up. This is where you tell Follow Up Boss exactly when you want your email to be sent. Select the date and time that works best for your communication strategy. Think about when your recipient is most likely to be receptive to your message. Once you've chosen your date and time, confirm your selection. You should see a confirmation message indicating that your email is now scheduled. You can also view and manage all your scheduled emails within Follow Up Boss, usually in a separate scheduled emails section. Here you can make any changes or cancel the sending of the email. And that's it. By scheduling your emails in Follow Up Boss, you can stay organized, ensure timely follow-up, and boost your efficiency. So, start scheduling and watch your real estate business thrive.